Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. You know, Fleet Management is one of the best company who visits our campus every year and takes almost maximum number of cadets. Every year Fleet Management takes more than 25 cadets. So today I am going to talk with my friend Arkadev Chakravarti who is placed in Fleet Management. He will tell you everything about this company. Hello Arkadev, welcome to my channel Amrit Raj Compositions.
Well, hello Amrit. It's nice to meet you after a long time.
Today I will ask you few questions related to Fleet Management.
Yes, sure.
Okay, let us start now. Okay, tell the viewers about this company in brief.
Though I don't think that as a TME I'm the right person to judge a company or to say about differences between different companies, but I will still say a basic overview. So Fleet Management is basically a ship management company. It manages over 600 vessels, I guess, right now. Right now, it is the second largest ship management company in tanker fleet. So it's really a great company to join, I guess. And for me, I think mostly I find a lot of our seniors working in fleet management. So for me, it is a definitely go.
Yeah, really fleet management is of great importance because it takes maximum number of cadets from our campus.
Yes, that's what I'm saying that
Hmm.
mostly the seniors I have interacted with at some point of the career or the other, they have worked in fleet management. So really we can know a lot about the company, how is the working culture and how the things are there in the company. So it becomes a great inspiration for us to join fleet management, especially for DMETians, I will say.
Okay.
So it was always my first preference to join fleet management.
Okay, Arkadev, can you tell the viewers what is the minimum requirement for appearing in interview of fleet management?
So I would say there are no as such requirements for joining fleet management, but you need to have a good academic rank because that will play a very vital role for campus placement, I would say.
Okay, what type of questions are asked in interview of fleet management?
So generally they will ask you questions from marine auxiliaries and IC electrical, but I would say 90% of the questions that we were asked, I was talking about our batch, are mostly from marine auxiliaries. General questions like from air compressors, purifiers, refrigeration system, Marpol Annex 146, and incinerator regulation, steering gear regulation. So basic questions, not very much tough or certain abstract question, but yes, there will be cross questions and you must be ready for that.
Okay, Arkadev, can you tell the viewers how did you prepare for interview? Were you confident
So the
enough after your preparation?
No, I would not say that I was very much confident, definitely nervous because it was my first time interview. But I think that's quite normal. It's okay to be nervous because it's his first interview. But preparation part, I would say that first thing you need to prepare is that you need to have a very good academic rank. At least you need to be in the top 50. Otherwise, I would say it will be very much difficult for you to, it will become very much difficult for you to be eligible for fleet management campus interview. Other than that batch rank, I would say that you need to prepare technically. For me, I started preparing right from the 5th semester. So things were much more easier to me. Things were really much more easier to me. So, and I think if you start preparing from beforehand, though you will not feel the pressure like 1 week before exam or 1 month before exam you have to study all the subjects and a lot of pressure comes to you. So I think don't take shortcut, be a bit laborious. Only I think 1 or 2 hours a week is just enough. You need to brush up the old things that you have learned, and that will definitely help you, I would. And other thing I would say that has helped me that I used to clear doubts of my batchmates. No, I won't say that I know everything and I used to clear the doubts, but whenever possible, something small things that I know, but someone don't know. And even many times that somebody others knows something and I try to learn something from him. So this type of interaction really helps you. And I would say if you study throughout the year, that is, I'm saying from the fifth semester, and when you will be going for the interview, just before the interview, that 2 week or 1 month time, you can prepare that compact one line answers that are very much preferred in the interview, because they won't allow you a lot of time to explain things. You need to explain things with very compact one line or two line answers that are also technically correct. And this is a very difficult task. So explaining a concept in just one or two lines, and that also technically correct. So if you study throughout the year, yeah, I think it now at just before the interview, you can dedicate time for such things. But if you start studying just 1 month before the interview, things will be a lot difficult for you. I will not say that you will not be able to manage, but mostly it is the highest probability that you won't be able to manage. Some people still manage, but that may not be the case for you. So it's your decision how you are going to prepare for yourself.
Okay. You have also experience of internship in Kolkata Port Trust for 1 month. So can you tell the viewers what is importance of internship? Do they help in interview?
I would say definitely yes. So I have done internship on Kolkata Port Trust. I was there on two ships for a period of 1 month. I didn't sail, but I get an opportunity to work on ship. So observe things, how they work actually, what are the practical considerations, how we work on ships. And in the interview also, they asked me that what I did on the internship, or in which kind of work did I participated. So I would say if you are going to, if you are interested in learning something in the internships, so you should definitely consider it. But just for the sake of certificate, if you are going to do an internship, I don't think that will help. And when they will ask the questions, they will definitely find out that in this internship you haven't done much. So I think if you want to learn something, internship is a definitely go.
Okay, Arkadev, you are also our CI. So is such type of responsibilities and also you can say extracurricular activities play important role in interview?
I would say definitely yes, because this type of role gives you a much more responsibility. You become much more responsible. You become much more confident, because you have to deal with a lot of people with a lot of different mindset, their problems every day. And once you become very much comfortable with that, you won't feel nervous in the interviews. You will be much more confident, and you also get to interact with a lot of people. So you came to know about their experiences, and that also helps. So I would say definitely it helps.
Okay, Arkadev, other than study, what else did you do in our campus?
So other than studying, I participated in a lot of drills in parade. So parade was one of my extracurricular activities. So singing was one of my hobby, though I didn't pursue it much in college, but before college I used to sing.
Okay, there are many cadets in our campus who targets over the fleet management from the beginning of their college life. So what would you like to suggest all of them?
Definitely many will be there. I was also one of them. So I would say there is it's a really good company you can join. But what I say is that don't take shortcuts. Study from the fifth semester. Just 1 or 2 hours a week is not a big deal. Anyone can do it. So I think if you study that way, things will be very much simple for you. You won't have to panic just before the interview what will happen or things like that. And I don't think for fleet management the preparation part is different. For Anglo Eastern the preparation is different. I think the preparation part is pretty much the same. Just 1 or 2 weeks before the interview, okay, you can select things like which all things are much more required in this company or things like that. But the preparation part for any company is the same. You have to study. Things are very simple. You have to be a complete package. You need to have a very good academic rank. You need to have good technical knowledge. If you think that you have a very good technical knowledge, but you don't have a good academic rank, that doesn't make a sense. You won't be able to sit for the interview. So I think you need to balance these things.
Okay, Arkadev, any last comment for our juniors, or you can say viewers of Amrit Raj Compositions?
So for juniors, I would say that don't take shortcuts, stay motivated, because that's the key. And if you still have any doubts regarding preparation part, you can comment it down, and I will try to answer to the best of my ability. Thank you.
Thank you, Arkadev Chakravarti, for your precious time, and I wish you all the best for your future journey in fleet management.
Thank you, Amrit. Best luck to you for Chevron.
Thank you. Welcome.